Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're reviewing what we consider the best motorcycle helmet full-face visor in its category. The Auboa OT801 full-face motorcycle helmet in matte black, size large. Let's get into it. Right out of the box, the helmet makes a striking impression with its matte black finish, a clean, aggressive design, and aerodynamic shape. It's clearly built with both aesthetics and functionality in mind. Whether you ride a street bike, cruiser, ATV, or motocross, this helmet fits right into that versatile all-rounder gear list. Safety is where the Auboa OT801 really steps up. It's DOT certified and complies with FMVSS 218 standards, which means you're getting a helmet that's road legal and crash tested. It uses a combination of ABS, that's acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, and an EPS liner for impact absorption. This layered safety system helps absorb shock in case of a collision and distributes the impact across the helmet shell. But what really sets this helmet apart is how lightweight it is. It weighs only 1.92 kilograms, which means long rides are easier on your neck and shoulders. Thanks to the integrated shell and fin design, it maintains a sleek profile without any unnecessary bulk. This lightweight build makes it especially good for daily commuters or long-distance riders. The helmet comes with two visors, one tinted colorful visor pre-installed and an extra clear visor included in the box. This is a fantastic feature for those who ride both during the day and night. The clear visor is easy to swap in and gives you a crisp, unobstructed view of the road at night, while the tinted one is great for bright daylight rides, reducing glare and improving visibility. Auboa also paid attention to ventilation. The OT801 features multiple air vents strategically placed to keep airflow consistent inside the helmet. This is crucial on warmer rides or during high-performance situations where heat can build up quickly. The improved airflow keeps you comfortable and reduces visor fogging. Another key design feature is the visor locking mechanism. It helps reduce wind noise and keeps the visor firmly in place even at higher speeds. This might seem like a small detail, but it makes a noticeable difference in ride comfort and focus. Comfort doesn't end there. The interior lining is removable and washable. That's a big plus, especially for those summer rides when you're sweating inside the helmet. Being able to clean it keeps the helmet fresh and odor-free over time. Let's talk use case. This helmet is built for more than just city commuting. It's suitable for ATV rides, motocross trails, snowmobiling, and touring. If you're just starting out riding and looking for your first full-face helmet, this is a very smart choice that balances cost, quality, and safety. To wrap it all up, the Auboa OT801 is a strong contender in the entry to mid-level motorcycle helmet market. It's lightweight, safe, stylish, and versatile, and the inclusion of both tinted and clear visors is something we typically see in more expensive options. If you're looking for the best motorcycle helmet full-face visor without breaking the bank, this one should definitely be on your shortlist. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hands-on reviews like this. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.